Leadership is a multifaceted journey, filled with anecdotes and parables that illuminate the path to becoming an effective leader. Today, I invite you to embark on a voyage throughout the captivating tale of a ship captain whose actions exemplify the core tenets of leadership: people, systems, and vision. Imagine yourself standing on the bustling docks, gazing in wonder at the majestic cruise ship before you. As you step onto the gangplank, a sense of anticipation fills the air. The captain stands at the entrance, extending a warm greeting to each passenger by name. His ability to remember every individual leaves you marveling at his attention to detail and personal touch. Once aboard the vessel, you witness firsthand the captain's remarkable memory in action. He meticulously checks each passenger's passport, committing their faces and names to memory. This simple yet profound gesture demonstrates his unwavering commitment to customer care and leaves an indelible impression on your mind. As you settle into your cabin, you discover a handwritten note from the captain, assuring you that your bed was meticulously prepared under his personal supervision. Initially taken aback by the thought of the captain attending to every detail, you soon realize that his focus extends beyond mere tasks. Instead, he prioritizes quality through the implementation of effective systems and processes. During dinner in the ship's elegant dining hall, you are surprised to see the captain clad in the same uniform as the crew, diligently serving soup to guests. His humility and willingness to roll up his sleeves and pitch in with the daily tasks showcase his commitment to leading by example and staying connected with his team. However, as the voyage progresses, doubts begin to creep into your mind about the captain's leadership style. Who is steering the ship when he's busy serving soup or tending to the boiler? Your concern mounts as the ship drifts perilously close to an iceberg, with no one at the helm. Just when disaster seems imminent, the captain springs into action, rushing to bridge and take command of the situation. With a steady hand and unwavering resolve, he navigates the ship away from danger, averting catastrophe and ensuring the safety of all on board. Yet, even in the aftermath of this near miss, questions linger about the captain's leadership approach. While his hands-on involvement is commendable, you begin to realize that true leadership transcends individual actions. It encompasses the broader responsibilities of managing people, implementing systems, and charting a clear course for the future. Consider the significance of people in leadership. A great leader recognizes the importance of assembling the right team, empowering them to excel, and fostering a culture of collaboration and mutual respect. Without a dedicated and motivated crew, the ship will falter in its journey towards success. Next, ponder the critical role of systems in effective leadership. A strong leader establishes robust processes and procedures to streamline operations, maintain quality standards, and address any challenges that may arise. From meal service to maintenance tasks, every aspect of the ship's operation should be governed by well-defined systems. Finally, contemplate the essential element of vision in leadership. A visionary leader provides direction and inspiration, guiding the ship towards its destination with clarity and purpose. By anticipating changes in the environment and adapting accordingly, they ensure the continued success and relevance of the organization. But leadership isn't just about overseeing daily operations. It's also about accountability. The captain bears ultimate responsibility for everything that transpires on the ship, from the cleanliness of the cabins to the safety of the passengers. Even in moments of absence, his leadership sets the tone for the entire crew. Imagine a scenario where the captain is suddenly incapacitated or removed from command. Initially, the ship may continue to operate smoothly thanks to the systems and processes he's implemented. However, over time, the absence of visionary leadership becomes palpable as new challenges emerge. and the environment evolves. In conclusion, the story of the captain and his ship serves a poignant reminder of the core principles of leadership: people, systems, and vision. By embodying these principles, leaders can navigate their organizations through turbulent waters and steer them towards success. So as you embark on your own leadership journey, let the lessons learned from this tale guide you in becoming a beacon of inspiration and stewardship in your own right. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.